Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. The dissolved Legislative Assembly of the State of Gujarat was constituted in March 1998 and its 5-year term was to expire on 18/3/2003. Stop. On 19/7/2002, on the advice of the Chief Minister, the Governor of Gujarat dissolved the Legislative Assembly. Stop. The last sitting of the dissolved Legislative Assembly was held on 3rd April 2002. Stop. Immediately after dissolution of the Assembly, the Election Commission of India took steps for holding fresh elections for constituting the new Legislative Assembly. Stop. However, the Election Commission, by its order dated 16th August 2002, while acknowledging that Article 174(1) is mandatory and applicable to an assembly which is dissolved, and further that the elections for constituting new legislative assembly must be held within 6 months of the last session of the dissolved assembly, was of the view that it was not in a position to conduct elections before 3rd of October 2002, which was the last date of expiry of 6 months from last sitting of the dissolved legislative assembly. Stop. It is in this context the President of India, in exercise of powers conferred upon him by virtue of Clause 1 of Article 143 of the Constitution of India, referred 3 questions for the opinion of the Supreme Court by this order dated 19th August 2002. Stanza. Article 143(1) is couched in broad terms which provide that any question of law or fact may be referred by the President for the consideration of the Supreme Court if it appears to him that such a question has arisen or is likely to arise, and if the question is of such a nature and of such public importance that it is expedient to obtain the opinion of the court upon it. Stop. Though questions of fact have not been referred to this court in any of the 6 references made under Article 143(1), that article empowers the President to make a reference even on questions of fact provided the other conditions of the article are satisfied. Stop. It is not necessary that the question on which the opinion of the Supreme Court is sought must have arisen actually. Stop. It is competent to the President to make a reference under Article 143(1) at an anterior stage, namely at the stage when the President is satisfied that the question is likely to arise. Stop. The satisfaction whether the question has arisen or is likely to arise, and whether it is of such a nature and of such public importance that it is expedient to obtain the opinion of the Supreme Court upon it, is a matter essentially for the President to decide. Stop. The plain duty and function of the Supreme Court under Article 143(1) of the Constitution is to consider the question on which the President has made the reference and report to the President its opinion, provided, of course, the question is capable of being pronounced upon and falls within the power of the court to decide. Stop. If by reason of the manner in which the question is framed or for any other appropriate reason the court considers it not proper or possible to answer the question, it would be entitled to return the reference by pointing out the impediments in answering it. Stop. The right of this court to decline to answer a reference does not flow merely out of the different phraseology used in clauses (1) and (2) of Article 143, in the sense that clause bracket 1 provides that the court may report to the president its opinion on the question referred to it, while clause bracket 2 provides that the court shall report to the president its opinion on the question. Full stop. Over.